Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the essentials: your Keam application number, registered email and phone, and a government photo ID. Once done, use a private, secure device and reliable internet to avoid interruptions. Make sure you know the exact birth date and spelling used on the application. These items let the official recovery system verify you quickly, so don't try guessing passwords. Follow the sanctioned identity checks to start a legitimate reset. Next, go to the Keam candidate portal and select the Forgot Password option. You will enter your application number and either the registered email or phone. An OTP or verification link usually follows. Once verified, create a strong new password. Combine upper/lowercase, numbers, and symbols, then confirm it exactly. Keep the session active until you see a success message. If you receive no OTP, wait a minute, then request again to avoid lockouts. Finally, log in with your new credentials and promptly update recovery options like alternate email or phone. If login fails or you can't verify, contact the official Keam help desk with your application number and photo ID. Do not use third-party services. One key troubleshooting tip: if OTPs don't arrive, check spam folders and network blockers, then try a different phone network or browser. Persistent problems should be escalated to support.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.